Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the animation to sticker and CapCut PC. So it's very simple. Just select your video to the right and just going to sticker to add the sticker you like. So I am going to add this sticker. Just tap on add to the track and just going to adjust port duration you like. So I'm going to just for the end of the video. And how to add the animation, just tap on the sticker and select animation. You can select in, out, or loop animation. So for example, I'm going to select loop animation. Select this one you like. Go. Just for the speed. Here we go. So that's how to add the animation to sticker in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.